So another one of the modules within the Institute of Sales and Marketing Management qualifications is marketing. And this typically talks about the marketing P's, the main ones of which of course are price, promotion, product and place. So in marketing terms it looks at what is your product or your brand, who are your target consumers, what does that brand or that product or service, who does that appeal to, who's your target market, and what are the elements of that brand that make it attractive to its target market. Talks about promotion, how you market and promote a particular brand so that people in that target market are aware of it. Talks about place, and place has two real meanings. One meaning, how does a product get to market, what is the route to market that you go through. So that might mean from a manufacturer to a wholesaler to a corner store to a consumer. But place can also mean how product is merchandised within a store, for example, where it sits in the shop or on the shelf, and how that is made to look attractive and therefore helps the sales process. And lastly, there's P around price. So what is the actual product, the price of a product, and where does that need to be set in order to attract people into it? So how is this relevant to unemployed people? It's particularly around the P of product or brand. We encourage people to think of themselves as brand me. So if you were a brand, how would you market yourself? What are your brand characteristics? What is it about you that has a USP or a unique selling point? Why would an employer choose you rather than your competition, the other candidates for a job? And how do you present your brand? So what is it about your physical experience, what you say, what you do, how you behave, that creates this exterior image of your brand that will make it attractive to employers? What is it you know about what employers want, what they're going to find attractive? So really the key thing here is getting unemployed people to think of themselves as a brand and think about all the aspects of how they present themselves, and also how they go about actively promoting themselves. And lastly, probably making sure that actually they protect their brand image, and they think about their internet presence and their Facebook presence so that they're not creating any negative brand images.